All right, hello family. Today I have received the ICEPURE water purification system. Okay, so under sink water filtration system, my model I have received today is the WFS5300A. Okay, so the flow rate of this bad boy is 2.5 gallons per minute. So it's tested for a high flow rate. Okay, so multiple uses, you know. So here we show, so for home, the kitchen, I see like a restaurant bar type here, campers, short-term rentals, you name it. Okay, so now we're gonna get on the unboxing part of this bad boy and we're gonna see how it comes. All right, so here it is. Everything is beautifully packaged separately. So there is the actual assembly. This is the accessory kits. So this is the actual filter. I get my knife here to work. There it is. Okay. See, I'm so excited to receive this finally. Here it is. Look, package from the factory. You can see you can mount this to the counter underneath the sink. Okay, so your filter system is not actually, you know, wobbling around and going everywhere. Here you can see the supply line into the filter system, and here is the outside, the outboard line to produce to your actual faucet in the sink, right? Or whatever you decide to install this magnificent product. Okay, and then let's open the accessory kits in here. Perfect. All right, here it is. Let's see. And remember, guys, okay, this is from the people from ICEPURE, right? Pure water, better life. Okay, so here we have the Teflon tape, we have unions, screws, grommets, all right, and we have the hoses. We have the inlet hose and the outlet hose. Very easy to identify, very easy to install. So now let's get dirty and get this bad boy underneath my sink. All right, also here on the accessory kit, so it comes with the user manual or guide installation. All right, so here it is, so you can continue keeping track of when you replace your filter, so you know you never miss a date. And here it is, actually a scaled diagram of the actual filter. So you see it's gonna stand 4 inches off the ground. Here you have the marking for the screws, so very easy to install, and let's get to it. All right, so installation is complete. I let the filter run for about 5 minutes, right, according to the guidelines from the manufacturer, in order to clear, you know, the system, so it can actually purge everything from the inside. And now let's taste the water. It's delicious. All right, go get yours today.